Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi taste better. First, focus on the quality of your ingredients, especially the Napa cabbage. Brining the cabbage correctly is crucial for both texture and flavor absorption. A good brine ensures the cabbage is perfectly seasoned and ready to soak up all the delicious spices. This foundational step sets the stage for truly exceptional kimchi. To elevate your kimchi's flavor, don't shy away from quality gochugaru. It provides that signature vibrant color and heat. Fermented seafood, like a good fish sauce or salted shrimp, adds a deep umami complexity that is essential. Fresh garlic, ginger, and green onions are also vital, contributing bright, pungent notes that round out the overall taste profile. Proper fermentation is key to developing complex flavors. Allow your kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your preference for sourness. After this initial period, transfer it to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. Remember to taste your kimchi periodically to find that perfect balance of tang and spice. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it straight from the jar, or use it to enhance stews, fried rice, or even tacos. Its bold flavors pair wonderfully with rich, fatty dishes, cutting through the richness with its refreshing tang. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for their comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.